on live. I told you I would be back on live today. By the way, I've been vlogging my travels today because it is Vlog Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, there's always new video from behind the scenes at the Junk Monkey over on YouTube. So go check us out on YouTube. Just search Junk Monkey Paint Company. And earlier, you heard me say that we have a new retailer. Do the happy dance with me. It is, do you see Renee back there? She's doing the happy dance right now, okay? Right there. And her daughter, Sarah, right there. Yeah. Hey, Chrissy, how are ya? So we are super excited. Chrissy's another retailer up in the Punxsutawney area. Heck yeah, go check her out. By the way, Chrissy, what color did you do your hutch, or did you get to it yet? Chrissy was the one who had that gorgeous hutch. Yes, she was brownie, frowny, and tired. And so I shared her post onto our page, and we were saying, what color would you do? So I'm curious to see what you did. So anyway, we are here getting set up, and guess where? Local friends are going to be super excited about this. Super excited about this because the Junk Monkey is now on the map in Somerset, Pennsylvania, okay? So we're about a half an hour from our shop, and you know, as we spread the Junk Monkey love all across the country, right now we have, let's see, this will be our 24th retailer, because in the last week we've opened up 2 more coming on board as well. But in our local area here, you guys know that you all come to our storefront at Junk Monkey Paint Company in Ligonier, Pennsylvania. And as you guys all travel in from all like the area around us, we want to be able to help you out and like put Junk Monkey in your community, right? How cool is that? So we see a lot of people come from the Somerset side, and so we're excited to be able to work right here. Introduce yourself back here, lady, so everybody gets to know you, because when you come to buy your Junk Monkey here in Somerset, you're gonna see this lady right here.
Hello, I'm Renee from Uptown Painting Party and Not Too Shabby. That's our storefront here, located in Somerset on the Diamond.
I knew I would work with a store that was like had the word shabby into it. Like seriously, it was a match made in heaven, right?
Yes.
You guys know when I started my business, it was Sonia's Shabby Chic. Sonia loves some shabby in her life, right? So yeah, not to be like, I always say, I like distress, but not to be in distress, but I just like to distress and have total control over it, right? So we are here getting her all set up. You saw her stash there as we put it all together here for her in Somerset. She is located at the, what's it, Glades Pike? Glades, not Glades Pike. Glades Pike is a place. Glades Court Mall, okay? So who knows about Uptown Painting Party? Uptown Paint Party? Mm-hmm. She has a whole other business here. This is her new storefront that she opened a few months back. Look how gorgeous it is, right? You guys know Junk Monkeys, that yeah, this is your style right here. All this beautiful stuff. So she paints, does handmade stuff. She has vendors in here as well, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful storefront. So today we're here on a day that it's closed to the public, getting set up. We are like, you guys are the first to know that Somerset now has Junk Monkey right here, and you can run out and get it. So what days are you open?
Wednesday through Saturday, 10 to 4.
Wednesday through Saturday, 10 to 4, okay? So she said she's gonna give us a little tour here of what she's got going on, because I wanna show you as well that you can come in to get your Junk Monkey, but guess what? She has got a working studio in here as well, which means that you can do art while you're here, okay? And I wanna take a minute to show that to you, because I know you guys will appreciate it. You can see all the projects that she's up to. She is a true creative, which is so fun to be able to partner with her. So yeah, you wanna take us downstairs?
Okay.
All right, and let me just tell you, it ain't no scary basement. It's a pretty amazing basement. All right, but yay, look at this. So if you come tomorrow, you will be the first to grab here from the shelves. And as of right now, if you come tomorrow morning, we have every single chalky style paint in stock, right? But yeah, how beautiful is this? You know, we were talking about painting like old windows yesterday. Look at this, how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, love, 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 love. Do you see something you like? Oh yeah, right there. How pretty. Look at that. Look at that. This is totally our style, right? Mm-hmm. Totally our style. You know which one I'm in love with out here? Because you know I've been on a, oh I like that one too. You know I'm on like a shabby flower kick. And yeah, I love this. There's a window, and she paint it right on it, right? Use your Junk Monkey paints, and you can paint on glass and metal and anything you want, right? So I always say that, look, this is just an extension right here. Woohoo! So today we get an inside tour while she is closed to the public. Let's do it. Let's go down. Let's go down to the basement. Jackie, how are ya? Thanks for sharing, Brittany. Your brother lives in Ligonier, Joyce. Well, come visit him and then come visit me. Come visit me. All right, so we're gonna go downstairs here, and I gotta show you this. So who on here right now might be from the Somerset area? You guys know you've passed. I'm gonna show you the sign. You might even recognize her branding, the Uptown Painting Party open studio, so you can come in and you can paint all kinds of fun stuff. So that was the storefront that I just showed you. And so when you come into this portion of her business, and let me see, she's got a colored door down here. So anybody who has a fun colored door to a room, I just know that this says like smile. You're gonna be happy when you go through this door. Look guys, look at all the fun colors down here that she has, all right? Should we start at the front door? Like as if like, okay, we came down like kind of like the side secret door, all right? But I want to show you down here like how fun of a place this is. Let me just tell you, she's been one busy lady. So she has a
front door.
So this is the side door, right?
That's our entrance.
You might have passed this driving along, but when you come in, guys, hello. So you get to pick, you know, what design you want to do. She gives you all kinds of ideas. Oh my gosh, look at all these fun. This is paint on canvas here, but she's also got some other things going on, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And I have to tell you that I'm excited to team up with Renee because you heard it first on here. We're going to be doing some furniture painting in here, okay? So yes, we are going to offer a furniture paint class. And so watch for that because there will be limited spacing. You guys know I haven't opened up a paint class. I'm going to say since last year. So I'm going to do that. We'll have limited seating, but if you can travel to the Somerset area here in Pennsylvania, I promise if you come out, we will have music and we will be shaking our booty and we will be getting some Junk Monkey on, okay? These aprons right here are waiting for you. So you come in and you could obviously, this is set up right now for canvas painting. These are some of your upcoming projects too, aren't they?
Yes,
I think this is your next one right here. Look, she paints on windows, all kinds of stuff. Who's getting great ideas right now, right? Yes, come in. So you pick your design. She has them always going, like there's always different ones.
Classes, but we have open studio every weekend, all weekend long.
On the weekends.
You can just walk in. You can do a canvas. You can do art a la carte or ceramics.
So this is what she calls art a la carte. So if you're like, I got too many canvases, like I'm over canvases and I want to do something different, this is going to be another option for you right here because she has all the wooden cutouts, okay? All ready for you. All ready for you. Guys, you know, did you guys see me on here earlier today and I was painting a big piece of wood just like this at Lowe's? Matt scored me a big piece of wood that was on sale for $5. So to think that all you have to do is just get a good concept to be able to paint, you can do some beautiful decor, right? So isn't that beautiful? Is this going to be a project over here, Renee?
It's going to be a class. Or they could walk in and do it during open studio.
Love it, love it, love it. So you can walk in and do this, right? And you can see the more windows, all the cutouts. So she calls it art a la carte because you just kind of come in and you pick the surface, right? Whether it's plank wood or anything like that, which is absolutely beautiful. Hello, Stencil Sonia in the house, like drawn like a beacon in the night right here. So she's got all kinds of stencils down here. Look, there's wreaths and all kinds of fun stuff around, right? And like, you know, little things that you can do. And just when you thought that that was it, then you can come back here. And this is actually her ceramic studio right here. So look at all this fun. Guys, I tell you, this is a fun place. This is a fun place. And yeah, exposed brick and teal colored walls, okay? I'm just saying, that's pretty amazing stuff. So her daughter, Sarah, who's also, you saw upstairs earlier, this is her daughter and her sidekick. This is something Sarah's been working on, right?
Yes, yep.
If I remember correctly. How beautiful is that? Gorgeous stuff! Oh my gosh, I like absolutely positively love that. So, and look at this big door. This is gorgeous. You can close it off if you really want to. Look at that. And that goes back out into the paint studio where we were before. So, winter up this weekend?
We have classes every weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Cool.
Right.
So you're going to have to look her up. I will tag her as well, her Facebook page, so you guys can go find her. And that way, if you're local, you can come in and get your Junk Monkey paint right here in Somerset, Pennsylvania, of course. You guys, if you're local, you know where that is. And it's the Not Too Shabby Home Decor Store. And what street is this? This is 101
West Main.
West Main Street. So it's on, I'm trying to think, what are some markers around here for people who would...
1 block down from the courthouse.
1 block down from the courthouse.
This is the Diamond. We are located on the corner of the Diamond in Somerset.
Nice. There you go. Right? So it's not hard to find. So how exciting. I am so happy to be able to team up. I'm going to go out here because we have a low network. But I'm happy to be able to team up with Renee. And like I said, you heard it here first. I'm going to offer a furniture come paint with me party, and we're going to do it right here in Renee's space. And So watch for that to go out. We will decide how we're gonna run it. It's probably gonna be, guys, bring a piece of furniture that you can fit in your vehicle and you can come paint with us and we'll do it right here. And there will be music and there will be good food, right?
And bring your wine.
And bring your wine. Don't bring your wine. Like, as in, like, we don't want to hear you whine, but bring your wine. You know what I'm saying, right? Oh, I love that. Is that a pumpkin?
With a pumpkin, yeah. It's a
That's
pumpkin.
brilliant. Oh, these are so pretty. I love what you've done with your mason jars and stuff. So cool. So cool. So yes, look right there. She has a mug with her logo on it. Uptown painting. So we're gonna get some painting uptown. Watch for that. But yay! I'm so excited. This is our latest retailer. So yeah, come by and see Renee here in Somerset. And she will hook you up if you feel like if you're in this area, you know, all over this area and you just need your junk monkey fix, she's got you covered. So super, yeah. No whining, just whining. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? There you go. Where is Mars, PA? Marianne's is a little bit far for her. So what do we have? What would be our closest retailer to Mars? Not the planet, the place.
No, us.
Us?
Yeah, because Mars is clear out near South Pittsburgh.
Oh, okay. So we will be your closest right now. But the junk monkey is growing. So, girl, if you know somebody up that way, not in the planet, but in the place. Just saying, just making sure that let us know. Tell them to go to Junk Monkey Paint. Scroll to the bottom. You'll see Become a Retailer, and they can enter their information, and then we will get it on the other side, and we're able to connect. All right. So Barbara says, does she do mail orders? You mean for projects? Maybe she sells something that she likes. I tell you what, I will tag Renee's store, and then you can message her. All right, you can message her. But yeah, yahoo! All right, so guys, plan on doing some paint fun in here with me. All right, and get your junk monkey. Get your junk monkey. All right, and if you can't figure out what color, go to the previous video that I posted with all the chalky pink colors on there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You're near Butler, north of Pittsburgh. Yeah, we would be your closest one then. Yeah, we would be your closest ones. Probably, I'm trying to think. My store from you would probably be from up that way, Matt. What, Butler area? Like an hour and a half, yep. If not more. Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours probably. Plan a whole day, girl. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.